Enabling two-factor authentication on LinkedIn adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Open your web browser or LinkedIn app and log into your LinkedIn account using your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Security Settings. In the Settings and Privacy section, find and click on the Security tab. This will take you to the security settings where you can manage your two-factor authentication options. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification or Two-Factor Authentication. Click on it and follow the prompts to enable this feature. You may need to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Choose your verification method. Select your preferred method for receiving the authentication code, such as via SMS or an authenticator app. Follow the instructions to complete the setup, including entering the code sent to your chosen method. By following these steps, you can successfully enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account, enhancing its security. Remember to keep your verification method secure to protect your account further.